Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of the belt replacement. We've uncovered a can of worms. This is the gift that keeps on giving. So as you can see, the deck is lacking structural integrity. So what's going on? This tensioner pulley is cocked, causing it to shred the belt and throw it off. That is why I'm having issues. This is pivoted. I'm going to straighten it out, weld on some plates just to reinforce it, and put a band-aid on it until this winter, when I can cut it out and make a whole new one. And hope for the best. It'll get me through the season. That's all that matters. But just an unexpected surprise to mow the lawn. And I did find out exactly what was wrong with the tractor electrical. I put jumper cables on it and it worked. And I put a different battery in it and it worked. So the battery load tested fine. It had voltage, but it did not. It must be down the cell or something, because it wouldn't do anything. And I took this one out of a truck, so it's way too big. But so it's clearly. So it's clearly just a battery problem, which is good because I hate chasing electrical. So the first thing we have to do is twist this idler. So let's see if we can do it. Oh, this should be. Well, that was easy. Okay. Now we can focus on the other side and get some plates welded on. Okay, since it's the deck is off the tractor and we're doing some serious work to it, we are going to take the blades off and sharpen them as well. It's easier to sharpen them when they're off the deck, and since we're doing wrong way. Okay, next thing we need to do is prep the area. Wait, look at these beautiful patches I just found laying around. Like they're meant to be. Wow. Did I get lucky or what? Hey, not the nicest weld job in the world, but definitely better than it was, definitely a little stiffer. So now we gotta flip it over. We'll stand it up, put the belt on, sharpen the blades, and we'll go mow some lawn. Look, an outdoor workbench. Won't that be grand? Look at this perfect workbench. And I get to be outside. Oh. Now, someone in the comments is going to tell me I should have safety glasses on. You're absolutely correct. I'm just going to squint. It's going to work just as good. That's all she wrote. The tractor's all fixed. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know what type of content you want to see. I do a lot of different stuff depending on the day, what's broken. So anyways, thanks for watching. I got to finish the lawn, so I'll see you on the next video.